Hi and welcome. Valentine's Day is around the corner and Fire Gems and Beads wants to help you get ready. Today we'll make this nice little dainty earring for a friend or somebody who's more than a friend. And it's really very easy. It's basically a stack of beads. And we're going to start the stack with a little silver-plated heart charm on the bottom. Then we're going to make the stack on these silver-plated eye pins. And they're made with a couple of tiny little bead caps and a little glass pearl, a nice celestial crystal in pink, and again repeat the pearl sequence with the bead caps and the pearl, and top it off with a silver-plated ear wire. Let's make the stack. Take the eye pin, put on one of the little silver-plated bead caps, add on one of these little glass pearls. Now these are very, very inexpensive and sometimes have bead holes that are less than perfect. And that's why I use that little silver bead cap. It adds a professional look, kind of like putting the frame on a painting. And it makes that very inexpensive and less than perfect bead into a really lovely finished look. Add on the celestial crystal. Repeat the pearl sequence with a bead cap, a pearl, and a bead cap. And now we just make a simple loop. I'm going to put my thumbnail right in there and fold that eye pin over at a 90-degree angle. And I've done this many, many years, so I know exactly how long I want to cut that in general, always protecting the cameraman from flying metal pieces. Grip the end of that little eye pin and roll it back. About halfway back, I'm going to switch jaws into the lower jaw and roll it the rest of the way and make a nice little tight little loop. Now in this one, again, I want to make sure that that heart hangs at the right orientation. So I need the loops to be perpendicular. So I got one loop going that way, so I need to make the other loop going perpendicular. One loop is going this way, one loop is going that way. That makes my heart charm hang right. I made this loop just a little bit bigger than the other one because I noticed that the loop on that heart is pretty big. So I want to make sure I have a loop that's big enough to accommodate it. Put that in there. Close it just like you were closing a jump ring. You twist it open and you twist it closed. And then all we have to do is add the ear wire. Again, treat it just like a jump ring. Twist it open. Put on this unit, twist it closed. Make bunches for your family, your friends, yourself, to sell at the local bazaar, whatever you need. Cute little heart earrings ready for you and Valentine's Day. Have a good one.